Welcome to the channel. What's going on, everyone? Here's a little something interesting that I've noticed. Ridgid has finally put out a bandsaw kit for the new bandsaw that was released not that long back. It comes with that new subcompact charger, 4.0 battery, going rates 229. Be shipped as a store to home. See the specs on this, or the model number actually. Variable speed up to 600 SFPM. Includes one 4.0 battery and charger, 3 parts, blah blah blah. Models R8604KSBN. If anyone's interested. I don't know. This is a good deal if anyone wants the bandsaw or wants the battery. Or just buy the bare tool $179. For a little more, you can buy the whole thing. So, your decision. Initially, you're the one that's going to purchase this. But if you already have batteries and a bunch of chargers, then, the bare tool fits you to the T. But if you really don't have much tools, then this is a good deal for you. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit the like button, share. Alright, let me know what else you'd like on the next video. I'll catch you on the flip. This is just a little deal for you. For anyone interested. And you can see what it comes with, see? Battery charger, 4.0 battery, the usual. And that's it. Yeah, this is what it comes with. And that bandsaw, so that's it. I will catch y'all on the flip. Alright? Later.